Under fraction story probs, and the little subheading, the heading under the subheading is finding unstated information. Finding unstated info. And the basic gist of that is, at some point you just have to use, it's not even common sense, just simple mathematical principles to figure something out. For example, here's the deal. 3/4 of the 28 students are in the class are boys. 3/4 of the 28 students are boys. Okay. The gist of this is you need to be able to look at that and figure out, you know, it tells you the ones that are boys, it doesn't tell you the ones that are, well, it tells you the fraction that are boys, it doesn't say anything about girls, but you can figure that all out, correct? If you just jot this down and make your little fraction table here, what is all the information that you can figure out that it doesn't say? Well, first of all, let's write this down. We know that this is 28 students. And you know that the fraction we're talking about right now is 3/4, so we cut this into 4ths. You know that 3 of the 4 are the boys, right? It doesn't say it, but what fraction would be girls? Yeah, 1/4 is girls. So that's part that's unstated here. What's each one of these boxes worth? If I divide 28 up 4 equal ways, each box is worth 7 students. You know, so from that, you can tell me that there are how many boys? There's 21 boys. How many girls? 7 girls. You can tell me that there are 3/4 are boys, 1/4 are girls. You can tell me there's 28 students. You might even be able to give me percentages, but I don't think that's what they're asking for. They're just asking, make sure you can answer it. Okay. You just need to be able to answer a whole bunch of, what's that, 75%? 25%? What is the percentage in here? How many boys are there?
9.
How many girls?
14.
Ouch. What does that mean? Oh, I don't know what this means, but let's do this one. There are 30 marbles in a bag. If one marble is drawn from the bag, the probability of red is 2/5. Oh, how about that? 30 marbles in a bag. The probability of drawing a red marble is, what they say? Is anybody listening? 2/5. What can you tell me from all that stuff there? It's kind of the same deal. You've got your bag. It stands for 30 marbles. You know that you're cutting 30 up 5 equal ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2/5 would be red. What are the other 3/5? What color? You don't know what color, but you know what color they're not. They're not red. By the way, that is what you call that the complement. You talked about complements before.
Yeah.
So if you divide 5 into 30, each one of these is 6. So all the information you can tell me is how many red marbles are in the bag? 12. How many not red? 18. A fraction not red? 3/5. And all that is pretty much water under the bridge. So if you make the little sketch there, is there something else they ask us? Oh. What is the sum of the probabilities of drawing a red and drawing a not red marble? adding the probabilities. What's the probability of drawing a red marble?
12.
2/5 probability. Add that to the probability of it not drawing a red marble, which is, and you add those together, you get.
1.
They like to show you more than one way that complement